eka adwemu woni ye radwo drama ni mama ya atwe anasa woni ni enya adwen eno nti ni yesi hu konya na no pe ya ye ba be pense ensem ma menko na menko ma me director akwa ba na ye mfa dwumede no enhye so director mo akwa
ya me de
na pomu e
wa de no me kro
yo ye nko na na ama de me so tel ye nim se bra ye di dwumede ni hye ne sa no abon ho modi bia ensem so de e free mu aba me bi kura ko wie no kwota ye bo ne ka 60,000 na be na watch me and say you say Miss V and host the program and na aba the great and the by say normally so or ye mo say you no kwa na be host no be na be host here or post flyers on the Instagram page ni ade but you see am kwa for the past 3 weeks ni no on post flyer bia wo na ja Ghana for konkonsa for do mo himbre manos abe ya pamo no every UTV and prayer ya na ntie say one bela mundi here program na wo media agenda na ye share said the asim said na Mcbrown Mcbrown ye share said the why ye adwuma na wo UTV ahoki kan odro a wo de aye no na enne no say ya mpasa sa na tina ko bi ni say no unyi ni say be hadwe
me charity for any brother in the first place no before say a show is designed for a host.
Okay.
The host is not designed for a show.
Okay.
Because me patch say who ye show on a program I say we say show no obi abetimi ai bi. It's designed for one particular person. Sa na nipa no da o yare na one man na say show no enkoso nti we a director and producer what you do is that show now we design no say show obi abetimi ai bi. Number 2, Nana Mcbrown or your journalist or your presenter or your actress or be on the job. Number 3, the first time I mean who the lady there, no
Miss V,
I was like, whoa, Salam because Miss V was sharing the program at media, no even multi TV. Yeah, that one or your entertainment segment. And you know when it comes to entertainment, she knows the stuff. And the way of presentation, one of the things I say, I don't see a kind of key, no, and you know, into now and then I may say, no, be your bed there, but right from there, no, Mimi will say, father, why master stroke at all. I saw it because who will be our the 10 I won't say, lady in the bar, so 1, 2.
Nana 3.
3.
So normally when na money one ma.
No, even before then. Na my host show no. Lady in the bar.
As a guest.
Your friends here beside the question and interaction no. Actually only what she's about.
Oh, say our industry.
Yes. And I will say the delivery was on point or control over what she's saying. Or to me, now what we control the other even panelists on the show. It's your mommy who say, hey, and then another one here, okay, because one of the things another need control over the guests. Why does it? Because on your presenter, and to say, oh yeah, then only where to come in, where to interject, question you one ma ubisa, and so bisa follow up no, not like a crack. Will be our only say, near my baby or one ma, nice, not show Nankasano. No person mean say delay show, controversial show, but not question the circle.
Now what we need is say they were a show business.
Yeah.
We share at times A+, and I make a crash Shatani and not win a selling TV stations. Everybody was talking about it. Who need to say almost a planting I am more yet to sell views na.
Me can't say you're planting. But even if it's a planting, some will not encourage courts. Some of the utterances no obi bow station now you're a hoster immediately no you who any TV station if you so that when no we and buy no because some of the utterances especially
where second time
yes especially from God or you'll be about show so now because of his political sympathy need to know why here or better bomb yes into you'll be able to control the year. Or can someone no, I won't take this. Who can apologize? No one apologize. Say, baby, who you want? Any station no a film. But na man to me yes I no.
who say because of personal way now who say got to a time na in for say ni kunu eja because anything we program they are na e book god ni ano ni nechi or through stage or koji awards ni adia so it got to a time and no feel say omo way you know and pictures and no mucha after the show any identity my Ghana phone your perceptions I don't need will be na who ni say no so as of my familiar with each other no so can be want to in control because your man is A+ for years and then I'm A+ you know who yeah.
But I see no matter how personal I am with you, profession is profession. Okay. And a professional presenter no or no juma, you can be the best of friends by juma. Okay. It's a baby and no cry make me control more. And no cry na kuku make me say no. On my show don't do this. Thank you. Some aspects no na enkoye. Well, the part was the words me ma are lively, especially with the bands where
and you be also
thank you. But the same turning here, controlling of the program. Most often no show they say cut in to cool tempers down because on route me yet. It's sadly in a minus sa. Now in a good time you know. Na UTV enya dimbone.
Yes, because of
Scott. Now I say stigma be. Do one near me can say no. Two things is either they'll stop the program or change the host.
Now that's I show free this angle. Now ma you be or just any papa, ni mommy, any papa or second despite. Or more dia profit in program, you know. Only despite or papa precope. And kwanya for the fast so the program ne man only said you must start in. Wakoye busuya e wo UTV na edu father birthday kwa na wo share or play majority role activities na e koso no na e koba ni say ya wunyi ni say ene o ma yon kofa ni we na be ha adwan na
there be enye say ha adwan who say because of sound relationship no creating na ache till now and sana omo take the decision that they've taken. But you see, if you are professional, you can be my friend, we can work, we might disagree on the work. When it means I put too much, I might step aside, but you can still be my friend. That is no, and we are you being professional. And me say I can't work with you, but I like your company. Obi bet me awari obi. In the marriage, you know, na ko ye. But muja no or your best friend.
How?
Is that
me and your best friend?
No. Ebi wo honuma because mo worry, you know. Baako pay freedom. Baako so person o ma freedom. Okay. It's dey be ana when you ebem. Muja ya, that woman has her freedom, right? So you can still talk to her and be best friends. It's when should they stop whatever. Me stop here then means no professionals.
Now there is a share free this angle say meaning way you papa way madam for na ye jina so na ya fa na djuma. Wonyi ni say go to a time na saade na didi na ma chemuti na ye hu de hu na say A+ so me make comment bi kwa say ono no father nya na o show ni so che obi a. So omo ba omo feel say ye hia wo mo enti di omo pe no mo ye wonyi ni say ni na aka wo bi na ma ye hu de hu.
Le ebeka ho ba ni nyina jina who is controlling? The producer, the director, and then the host. Say, how do they control everything? Niawo can I true every time in some of the utterances on the show no na enya dia very good. Especially this guy, this Rasta guy, I mean so Rasta today. Sakode issue ne buy with the Nyone Bob Marley and you know. Comments be on making it wasn't professional.
Mr. Logic,
especially he being in the industry, you know, the way of cancer and the way of picture, you know, actually now you call another tune from Nigeria, no, you will say Sakode did far better. It's sometimes no, all chances because you can't come on a show and run me down, run my reputation down. I'll take it. It's not almost a coswa, quarter in the bassa.
Now, yen share free this and the yen share marketing aspect.
Yeah.
We share show this one. Most of adverts ne go so no. A year product and Mcbrown a young one. Enti ye ne free was and who ni say or mom ni okay na na me e because I quite remember say Mami ye boy sedu. E brand no war multimedia.
Yeah.
Na Tabia TV person mo dey ba Kumasi. But the sponsors make a change say Uba Kumasi a hono weni ni wasa nti ye betumi ye be free show ni so enti na aso obe lucy ne yi enti onyi ni say na ama so obi betumi ese UTV because most 90% of advert na egusu ni ya ono ade o market wo mo na through that na mo nya sa link no onyi ni say one member UTV for lucy ska say o mo ba say o mo chenyi na ama totally.
You see, two things. UTV, whether you like it or not, the most visible TV station now in Ghana because of the account aspect of it. And visibility-wise, visibility-wise, no, they still have it. And yes, Oma Lucina Nama, so the station goes down. Number two, Miss B knows no, also crown or industry for a long time, also crown a part of what. Your friend is also a sponsorship kakra. You might lose some, you also gain some. Until you know how Bibia Beko, maybe the only problem Miss B is treating now only Mukano.
But Miss V Suba showed this. Oh my God, for the Yasinaya West or resign from TV3 because of a song longer sign a Juma or be a Juma in a bedding for her. That's to see I show what people 1 o'clock. I am a married woman. Now I see who jai TV3 because on the Juma can all that way. Now and already show we are to no. Who need say be create enemies for baby.
Debbie, show where once a week. Show where once a week. And it can be said I'm the host, but I'm not working for Despite Media. Oh, you want my fault because of your face and the way you are able to present. Oba based on sponsorship never and also na ye media tioka ye show na yapon officially no nya worker at way mama e say do ya boa that na no wo UTV na no ye we na sem ne buy no fee or call no
multimedia no UTV no call.
Thank you. Now UTV na on ye permanent worker.
Oh, okay.
Now, hosting we are, they'll pay you off and go. Not also pay contracts, you man those facilities and all that. And not in a money fee.
But according to us, also on the programs in our bags.
It doesn't matter. Okay. You can bring a program, but I may decide to be person may your permanent worker at my station. Okay. Obi one man demands no also. Oh, so I can offer full timer. Ultimate Chanica. And you do on my ultimate okay. My structure program yama say now why you are pay you off and then you go and also yeah in terms of be sana a bit me akoso but once a week program they okunu I hear no baby
oh that I show free na na do live band so that now come e say gospel ojinemu bibia ojinemu and the way our best the way at times come ojina honom you started program now and so fair obeto nyom obesa oberap any and one say there some kind of a yibi basho yes na me also Miss V no onimi that or industry onim said it so a bad discussion say na but one say ekoye discussion for that 9 o'clock to 12 boring on Lucy views ni ade one you say e some consider sanema we na
who consider but the thing is you can't find another Nalama background. She's what unique.
Yeah.
What makes her unique is her actress aspects now or one. And she's able to act things out and then your friend is saying what's your presentation cardiac count and also but you see the weakness near Miss B strength. In a sense controlling of the guests and no Miss B wo. Nana any be. It's a no your strength. But the only weakness to his heart, Miss V no, all to me yeah.
Oh, Debbie.
Yeah, man, na my because
na about to 29 times foot. Now the dressing crowd the ban.
Because baby, I Miss V if you buy, but only multi TV.
Yeah.
And
I'm in the media journal see.
Yeah, multi TV no. I dey back say, omo we had more Joy Prime ne, Joy FM no. Omo attitude is different from Adom.
Yes, from who come media general car, on yet if from Lego. Your friends with you from
yeah.
Side to
who are the man? Lady Crow Joy FM, ultimate companion. Who are your staff no
because almost
oh yeah, that the same from it's a training. It Miss Vino, some training not there back.
And on Maka Sanani, so she in some way.
Yes, it's all about yet, or bet me as a sanani. Over to me, every bar kakra. Now my program a bit corporate than Nana Mayano, and also you lose the masses.
Now, won't say at the entertainment program.
Sure.
So yeah, quite a chin, I'm quite the corporate, you know. Who you say UTV will lose match because we Saturday and it got to a time now Obia be interested. It do Saturday
yeah, it was trending.
Yes,
like number one.
Obia per se or on because of vibes and I'm the baby show. So the Koba say yeah the chin yeah the time be discussion. We are saying it as it is. Do you think it will help? It
will help, and Amika said that there are plus and minuses when it comes to this thing. But the thing is that how do you also maximize your strength? Because I want to mean young pepe. Say, see, I know maybe the number before sending pound go back to me. I Shanna Mcbrown was AJ Pounds. Yeah, she was a perfect fit. Say, on when you are on corner easily now, so me knew why they went for Miss V. Because Miss V on in the mode of Nanama and I only saw charisma and whatever. And rubber. But AJ Pounds could have even added more to it. Because one, all control over the guest. Number two, she's lovely. Number three, she's an actress. It's a comedian be beer and Nanama ever plus more. But we knew why they didn't go for her. It's let's see. Ebiana Miss V the be from the bata. What Nanama is doing. But yes, idea the show will flop.
Who share? Who say Peace FM? Papa, you may feel but they do Saturdays. Yeah. They do the same as
yeah.
I don't know. I know we have serious discussion.
Abuaje.
We have serious discussion also.
Sure.
And you know we have serious discussion or Peace FM. And you may only enter with any album.
Yeah.
Now I go back as yes, I decide seriousness. Yeah. Me to me, you only say nyadi ebebo.
Say na make us say, you knew what Miss V is bringing on board. In your view, no, view now come. If there no special package be or day bar, a bit me live in the program app, and no so home. But send ya Elcono, because the last week me here, last week I do I'm doing TV now. Because no, last week me share do baby no, the excitement was not there. Discussion the cry Elcono. And too serious for me. Send ya now Elcono. Most people don't understand the entertainment the way I understand because I'm part of it. But Obi one more up at the front side of it. Front side knows na year film. I know there definitely there will be some losses.
Now won't you say a brother nama a area now or koye ni sani adino. Or more decide say ni bemo obi aba subi. Into be who na dinosaur months or so ni where ni can or the need aba give to us money and fiasha singer Tracy Munya be host program maybe. Into who ni say more per changes there at least maybe on the fine no na eye because a do Saturday they are not expecting new guests and they were we na Beku Santana so they need the be shema na night inside the intina say baby I to sing no omo share no money ni kasa na wo obetimi ama yibi wo hono kaka na even ye be change omo show this because A+ Arnold friends who God and no omo ni na manena. It's yen you free so near new face in ra. Near man na host the who you say a bit to me about.
Almost start decided mimic how I say a time for change. Plan no yes say rotate you. Now almost test the waters no to see. Say if she's not there, how would the program work? It's almost test here I could do baby so okay, only one kind the program will work. That was what they were doing.
Oh, self front dear.
No, that was the whole thing. Me almost started saying now because how say host in ho now so person show because not the host is so there so far can so or two quite which most of it or kwa nipa back step in. Thank you. All every time ma panelists ni bi me hosi. Thank you. It you almost started saying when you trick how yeah but every so one wouldn't tell yeah but where you it's yeah probia thank you. It's almost yes, and then they were also tested say, only how the show ran. Tom who said no, only what the show is running. And no want to be taking sanitation. It's yes, sir. Now they wanted to wait. Abeku Santana could have easily stood in for this lady, and it could have been fine because Abeku here mostly entertainment with I'm waiting here to, but not a normal a permanent person to take care of. That was it.
Now, Miss V, or no, or you'll be said they were making up your mind, and the kind of training now when Do you think say or yeah the next one my beche?
And depending on what she's bringing on board, if or the Joy Prime attitude in there by their own check, we are Joy Prime no not for a section of people. Because for no hip hop no the Jay-Z's and fans and all that. But when I'm here from a cut across from her life to hip life to everything. Obi a work class and go to meet here and then enjoy the music. Into the side Joy Prime the anybody emfa. Unless say what almost one share program no say I can add this thing to improve upon it. And as a producer no sit down with her and say let's structure this, let's put this, let's put that. But say as attitude now last week no dey bad there emfa. There.
Na yen hwe na na ma say the way na make am oni omo aye we no. Unyini said go to a time of failure because it got to a time said Joseph can obey Joseph bloggers they come and listen to it. Unyini says Sanya man to do it, Simutina, ye near who they won.
Now, at a point in time, she lost control. She lost control. Who said, do baby, no, now sometimes no, yeah, Juma, maybe I'm saying, and yes, do baby now catch her who say you are indispensable. Nobody is indispensable. Is what indispensable because before you came there was somebody.
Yeah.
You will go there will be somebody. It's then piano. So when you won't say I have to learn more, it pushes you to learn more. But you are man. What me do the comfort zone? Who do the comfort zone? Very dangerous. Number one, you start falling because you feel say whatever mean maybe and they will listen. What I said. Number two, why me I want to me improve what the show. Because when you tell me instead of adding up, no, now you are subtracting. Also say no, I have arrived. In this work, I hear back when you say the two people say you never arrive. You arrive only when you are dead.
Yeah.
It's all the time you push yourself. You push yourself and not make you into what a better person. And do baby no, the way I know for show no, they were not as if say I am Nanama. If I don't come, the show is not going on. Bibi Emma loopholes be brave demo. Court say it was needless. Court not quite.
60,000 maybe.
And yes, Sikano. But I did not stigma na. Oh, Sikawe they say this come on. E ho crash o ka say go back church check na go to your mom na. Stigma na e attach it to UTV no. That was the problem.
Na sa ma station dey no nyamo ba.
People number two politically. Na yes, I'm a UTV. I say always NDC station because who now allow A plus and Abu God to come and insult the president there, and you're okay. It's politically in the crowd. So who pitch the station against the current, government. It's you come bring the course. And I went to me and swag him saying hello.
And now no one it got to a time and man you put the name to chief from. Because after that, will be sorry or the kind of picture.
Say no, and the way I would say, yeah, friend be the way you carry yourself. Be Musa and become send ya over crowd. So what to me crowd we ya, Obi Bawa Hima, do we yet that open of hero. Now, Uma, especially Bugo, they're not kikaino. And people before the right there on it to insult Nanama. And then the station.
Chama Media and so by
Chama Media, it was it. Chama Media and when they buy Bugo TV out, for forecast at the station say NDC station. What I said. Now, I get back also all you confirming is Media General. I call Media General. Media General is known to be what an NDC
station.
It's the same who confirm me say I didn't know who you UTV no not a deliberate.
And look back
of fast and fraba. Because one call baby I said Media General. Media General they are noted to be what an NDC station. It's the way I know me name the manager no the way I but maybe they can make call Media General because
the husband and manager.
Yes, so the husband didn't do all this time because I sang for station here a neutral. Maybe from there you rebuild your brand. Trust me. What Media General no the brand no a better pay. And the period one no.
That baby me ye free on your call the next week. And he had process so involving in one and we are bed and we brave. We see on your coverage, we don't say, or money the Muslim way. It's how they see now on interest on your jumana and then movies in so yeah you be and I don't forget it media jumani nyama or more ayo jumano money.
Who say media juma ye one mafia game. Sir obi so I read it from media journalists lady the way all ye and for target and say we let's go for her. She'll build our brand. You see, TV station or by power, and yes, I be one offensive or by power, and yet to build the brand enough for. And looking at a few hours, they got 70 by now. People are talking or coffee. Let me say, now more name the way the media runs. Oh, yeah, face. A few hours, they baggage in the door. On to me, fan build it, wound to me brand. So say, wound to me brand has been built to certain extent because of delay. Watch even in. It is say no can say on the delay kwa nya juma. We are putting on certain platform already. Why is it? Say humanity here. It will be so will be media can on fan. Today say on ice man no, I will go. After all the number you don't really need what financial incentive right now. You have a lot of things that you do. So you don't really need it to minimum wire or call.
And see, that time I use at times in Central for near medium. I tell you, my on media general, when I approaching on to need to know any day, maybe or make this case or but at times, and Jane said, baby, I walk on a bit to me the waba for because me kind of night and I had for the America. May say the mistake or year was to move from multimedia or call angel and no Emma or Badam, maybe they're not no. And 2 years at time decision you take your journalist and so having.
And not there all the time, yes, you see, 2 things. Multi-TV say, when you go there, you get a name because of the way they train you. But our policy, no one is bigger than the station. Now, what this? Yeah, Sefakai, of you, where you go there, bar.
Yeah.
Ne pedigree, and then the brand, a raising. What I said. Now, watch this thing too. Opio fee UTV and media, despite media, or coin, or floppy. I can give you names. Fifi Banson. Do you hear of him? No. Lots of names. Friend said, they have flopped because the coverage and the visibility of the man. The others might give you money, but they won't give you that visibility.
But almost at times, almost be a do baby, and you're dealing on more premium.
So hearing all the time. Who hearing all the time? Because Nippon or Befa or now or bought 4 billion child. It was because of the name you had at what? That's why media. No, thank you. Now, what do you feel or not, Oba? And then 50%, you have a 4 billion and say, on your way, that kind of money again. What I said. So your value has dropped. So me, I would love to be where I can still maintain my pedigree and then my brand, have the freedom to do what I want to do than to go somewhere because of money and then lose my brand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, I was too much age and when it was a war action, what her ma, Obasa no subscribe, may hear me pa, and come my yedi, yen I fire home, and to me expect to be so be an adventure, but I embrace a fatima. Ya can comment in Eddie Amamo. Na yen nano me that ye see in some that. Asana asra for alcohol and no more mojisha more. Me direct to him or say your case asra for call because Ashaman anymore say some of them are notorious, not all of them. And see a bass and a bit to be condemned say asra for or man yadi. Now any other you say your former president here John Dramani Mahama and the apart to the Facebook page and watch I say a quite young far to put sign and tray. But the quite so asra for the fast or call one now near some innocent civilians, your couple woman and also enter ye. And to remember, some are close in a set, ye better compensate or your mom weak a crack, no macuma at home yem. And Rashid Virginia will jam with their mom Henry, or also aqua friends and Joe Fonshim. Now, many authors now make ye and Yamini McQueen, a yard as summer.
Isaac Nana Obri Yabua Enterprise ye. Isaac Nana Obri Yabua Enterprise and Kwan Lebe to Namon Kunda. Papa said ya Mrs. Isaac Nana Obri Yabua and Kwan Lebe to Namon and Kunda. Any in wardrobe, me dining, me bar, any in dressing mirror. Oh, my way one born a duffel. Now, I'm not talking to Isaac Nana Obri Yabua or not service car. Oh, dear friend, no man a good screen is on. Isaac Nana Obri.
say one of us.
And see, I started with.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, everywhere now. There's nothing. Yeah, nine. A4 positive. Mcbrown joined TV3 after resigning from UTV. After Mcbrown, who hosted the United Showbiz and UTV, has
Hello?
resigned from the company. And now has
Yeah, it's a.